द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12 है। आज आप लोगों को प्रोज का लेसन 3 जो है द सीक्रेट ऑफ हेल्थ सक्सेस एंड पावर के जो है एक्सरसाइज जो है सॉल्व करा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से देखिए 3 का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, हु फॉल सिक, बीमार कौन होता है? फ्रॉम हुम सिकनेस फ्लीज, बीमारी किससे दूर भागती है? आंसर, ए मैन who is hurry and worry, full of anxiety, and who has not firm faith about his work, he falls sick. From whom sickness और बीमारी किससे भागती है? A man who has firm faith, positive thought, and purity about his work, sickness flees from him. Question number 12. Who should not expect perfect physical health? किस व्यक्ति को शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य की पूर्ण आशा नहीं करनी चाहिए? आंसर, ए मैन who has not firm faith and purity about his work and who is always in hurry and in anxiety and worry and in suspicion. Such type people should not expect perfect physical health. Question number 13. Who do many people complain about? What do many people complain about? किसके बारे में अधिकतर लोग जो है शिकायत करते हैं? What does the writer say to this? लेखक इनके बारे में क्या कहता है? Answer, many people complain about the breaking down of their health because of their not perfect faith in their work and they have no attachment about their work and they are perhaps in hurry. What does the writer say to him this? लेखक इस बारे में क्या कहता है? The writer says to this that they should avoid the hurry and worry, free from anxious and doubts, and they should have good faith and purity in their work so they can improve their health breaking down. Question number 14. When is work beneficial and health giving? When is work Let us see the question number 14. When is work beneficial and health giving? कार्य कब जो है लाभदायक और स्वास्थ्य देने वाला होता है? आंसर, वर्क इज बेनिफिशियल एंड हेल्थ गिविंग when a man is totally dedicated to his work and he is free from anxiety and doubts and hurry. It starts beneficial and health giving. Question number 15. How does the writer explain faith? लेखक जो आस्था को किस तरह व्याख्या करता है? Answer, the writer explains faith that it is something like a solid foundation and we can build a good construction on the rock of faith. If we have firm faith about any work, we can retain our good health as well as benefit from the work and show that success and health is also achieved. Question number 16. Why should we build upon the rock of faith? हमें जो अपने आस्था की चट्टान को क्यों बनाना चाहिए? Answer, we should build upon the rock of faith because faith is the base of any work and health. If we have firm faith, it means sterling faith, we can stand a good construction of success and which is very beneficial, as well as we can achieve our good health. Question number 17. If we build upon such a faith, what will happen? यदि हम ऐसी एक आस्था का निर्माण करते हैं, भावना का निर्माण करते हैं, तो क्या होगा? आंसर, if we build upon such a faith, it will happen as a good success. We can achieve a great achievement related to success, and our health will be good, and it is also beneficial for us. Question number 18. What will be the result of such a faith? ऐसी आस्था का परिणाम क्या होगा? आंसर, the result of such a faith will be the securing of health, the good construction of good result of success, and securing health. Because if we have good faith, we can maintain our health, success, and power. All these three things are lying under such a faith. Question number 19. What is the secret of securing good health? अच्छे स्वास्थ्य को संरक्षित करने का क्या रहस्य है? आंसर, द सीक्रेट ऑफ सिक्योरिंग गुड हेल्थ इज that one should work without any friction. It means any tension. He should be avoid anxiety, doubt, suspicions, and hurry. Because if we are hurry or anxious or anything other ill nature mind, it means that we are calling the disease. So there may be effect on our health. Question number 20. What advice does the writer give us when we are in sorrow or in joy? Just once again see the question number 20. What advice does the writer give us when we are in sorrow or in joy? लेखक जो है क्या सलाह देता है जब हम जो है दुख में हो या खुशी में हो? जब हम खुशी में या दुख में लेखक क्या सलाह देता है? आंसर, द राइटर gives advices when we are in sorrow or in joy. We must not leave the firm faith, because firm is the fundamental thing related to health, and if we have good health, we have power. So one should remember, whether we are in sorrow or in joy, we must not leave the firm faith. Question number 21. How do the trends of your thought as described in the secret of health, success and power? आपके विचारों की प्रवृत्तियां जो है स्वास्थ्य का रहस्य, सफलता और शक्ति के इस जो है पाठ में किस तरह जो है इंगित किया गया है, वर्णन किया गया? डिटरमाइन द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ, और अपने जीवन का जो है गुणों का निर्णय कीजिए। आंसर, द ट्रेंड्स ऑफ आवर थॉट एज डिस्क्राइब इन द सीक्रेट ऑफ हेल्थ, सक्सेस एंड पावर, दैट if there is a firm faith related to any work and purity, there is health, success and power. If we are working in anxiety, hurry and suspicion, it means that we are destroying our health. So one should remember that we should determine the quality of life, this quality of our life, because all things are related to health, and if we have good health, we have power, we have success, and success and power are always lies in the secret of health. Thanks, Jai Hind.